Here's what you'll need for my Turkish chicken bake. Some chicken. I've gone with the 5 fillets, nice and juicy. Chicken stock, onions, 2 or 3 bay leaves, some fresh parsley to garnish with, garlic, 2 or 3 tomatoes, a lemon, a bit of tomato puree, smoked paprika, touch of cumin, chili flakes, oregano, some olive oil and some rice. I've gone with paella rice because it absorbs flavours really well. First thing we're going to do, give your rice a good rinse, get rid of that starch. Run it until your water runs clear. Into a bowl, we're going with the smoked paprika, oregano, chili flakes, cumin, olive oil, cracked black pepper, some sea salt if you've got it, or pink Himalayan salt, and tomato puree. Once that's formed a kind of paste, you can set that to one side. Peel the garlic, and then the same with the onions. Once you've peeled your garlic and onions, time to chop your onions into quarters, and then give your garlic a bash. With everything chopped and prepared, put it into an oven-proof dish or pan, whatever you've got that is okay in an oven. So in with the onions, garlic, and then your chicken fillets, whatever you're using, and then it's into there with the concoction that you came up with earlier, and then you're going to get that rubbed into all your garlic, onion and chicken fillets. Then this is going into an oven at 210 degrees Celsius if you've got a fan oven, 230 if you're using a conventional oven, or 450 Fahrenheit for around 30 to 35 minutes until your chicken starts going a nice colour. With your chicken cooking in the oven, it's time to quarter your tomatoes. I also like to just cut that little bit of green off each of them, which I'll get to in a second after you've cut your lemon into slices. And the chicken being nicely cooked, time to take out the fillets, but not before, just turn them over, give them a little dip in the juices. Then into there goes your washed rice from earlier. Just getting that mixed round to soak up them juices. And it's back in with your chicken pieces. And it's into there with your stock, your bay leaves, and then your tomatoes and lemon. And it's back into the oven for another 30, 35, 40 minutes, just so that rice absorbs all the flavours and most of this liquid will evaporate. You don't want it all to evaporate, you still want some so it's got that nice moisture to it. And it's had another half hour in the fridge. Time to take it out. Sprinkle on some parsley. Don't forget to take out your bay leaves. And then serve it up and enjoy it.